Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm so excited because I've been wanting to just cook with you guys, and today is the day that we're gonna do that. We're gonna be cooking some bomb tacos dorados. If you have not tried these, you are gonna be hooked, let me tell you. But if you've tried them, then you just know they're just the bombest. Super easy to make. Kids love it, you love it, your husband, your wife, your mama, his mama, her mama, everybody's mama loves it. So let's get started. To the kitchen. Okay guys, so this is what you need. You need some chicken breast, some onions, garlic. It can be the one that's already minced, avocado, some lettuce, chiles, cilantro, some queso fresco or queso cotija, crema mexicana. Yo, this is so good. Jitomate or tomatoes, tortillas. I like these yellow ones, but you can get whatever brand you want. And you're also going to need some caldo con sabor. You're going to need some oregano, black pepper, salecita, and your cutting board and whatever pinzas you need. You're gonna get your pot and you're going to fill it up with water. So now I have 2 pieces of chicken breast. Mine's like not even halfway full. And all you're gonna do is add the chicken breast inside so they can boil and your chicken can cook. At this time, you are going to add this much of onion, and you're also going to add some garlic. You can either do this kind of garlic or the actual garlic cloves, but I'm gonna use this one. Also going to be adding salt at this time, oregano, a little bit of caldo de sabor, not too much because you're gonna use this later. Now we're going to get ready for the salsa. So you're going to add water to boil your tomatoes, chop some onions and garlic, and don't forget about the jalapeno. Now while that is boiling, you're going to cut up some onions, some cilantro, and you're also going to be cutting some jitomate. This is going to be for everything that we're going to prep. When you cut the lettuce, make sure it's not so big, but also not so small. Now to one of my favorite garnishes is the queso fresco. It's so good. I do it with my hands. It is easier and you just enjoy it. Now we're going to check our chicken. It looks cooked, and we're going to transfer it so it can cool down a little bit, because once you start shredding the chicken, it's just going to be so hot. Also going to check how your tomatoes are doing. And in the meantime that the tomatoes are cooking, you want to start shredding your chicken. You can use a fork or your hands or whatever is the easiest option for you. I like to do it with my hands because that's how I got taught. I'm so excited because we are almost ready to be done for the best part. So I am checking the tomatoes at this point and they look cooked. You are going to transfer everything into your blender and you're going to add some salt. You're also going to be adding some pepper, and you will be just blending it. Now that your salsa is ready, you're going to transfer it to whatever little bowl that you want to put your salsa. At this point, you're going to add the cilantro that you chopped and the onion that you chopped, and this is just going to give it some kind of better taste to it. It's just so bomb in the salsa. Now you're gonna heat up a pan and add some oil. You're also gonna add the rest of the garnishes that you have chopped, and this is going to be the sofrito that you're going to need for the chicken, because the chicken needs to have some kind of taste, and this just brings all the flavors of the chicken. You just put the shredded chicken inside of the veggies, and you're going to add a little bit of the chicken broth where you cook the chicken, some salt, some oregano, and also some black pepper and some chicken bouillon. And you want to cook all that for just 5 minutes. Now it's time to heat up some tortillas. At this point, you want to heat up the tortilla where it's not super like hard, but soft enough to roll where it doesn't break. I already heat up all the tortillas, and now I am going to start stuffing them. You can put as much or as little chicken as you want and just roll them all up. I was able to roll up 27 taquitos. That's a lot. In the same pan that you warmed up your tortillas, as you can see, there's still a little bit of tortilla residue. You're going to add your oil, so make sure it's really hot so your taquitos are nice and brown and crispy and so ready. Okay guys, now for the fun part, you're going to garnish your taquitos starting with the lettuce, some crema mexicana, some quesito, as much as you want. You're also going to add that really delicious salsa that you made as much as you want. I like a little bit, but I like to add as I go. And why not add some avocados? And that's just how I like them, but you can add whatever you want. Okay, for the moment of truth, you guys, I am so excited to eat these. So here we go. Wow, these are so freaking bomb. Plus I'm starving, so they're even bomber. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the recipe, let me know for more videos. Love you.